I gotta say, this is unbelievable. We're going down the parkway. There's gotta be 100 Mustangs here, and we got nothing but state troopers escorting us. This is absolutely amazing. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking part in an amazing event. It's hard to believe that it's been 19 years since that terrible day on September 11th, 2001. We're heading out to the Red, White, and Blue Stars and Stripes Rally, where Red, White, and Blue Mustangs are going to be traveling from Eisenhower Park down to the 9/11 Memorial down by the beach. And it should be a great time with a lot of cars, a lot of good people. And hopefully we'll get some video for you, because it should be a great time. And just another means of us never forgetting all those that lost their lives. So, let's get it. Tons of cars here today. All different types of Mustangs. You got 4Is, S550s, New Edges, S197, Fox bodies, you name it. It's here. All in the name of remembering September 11th. Honoring America. Respecting first responders.
No, not really.
That's what it's all about. And I gotta tell you, walking in here, the whole tone changed. That was a lot of fun on the parkways and stuff, but once you hit this area, everything just changed. So today we honor America, honor first responders, our police officers, our firefighters. We thank you for all you do. This here's Greg's car. He's the organizer. Man who's passionate about America. And I believe this is the third one. And as you can see, the turnout has been incredible. Pretty much Mustangs everywhere, you can see. Might look like a car show, but it's not. It's just a group of people who are passionate about cars and America getting together, which is pretty freaking awesome. Piece of the World Trade Center. Here's a memorial. Beautiful and chilling at the same time. So I'm home now, back in the garage, and just what an amazing day. What an honor to be part of that day, and you know, what a range of emotions, from hanging out at the park and seeing friends and some really great cars, driving together as one united force down the parkways, and then when you enter that memorial park, just your emotion changes to a very somber, sad, and reflective one. You know, we can't forget the events of 9/11, and we hope that it'll never ever happen again. And we must be thankful to the first responders that ran into harm's way on that day, the days that follow, and be grateful that they keep us out of harm's way. So it was an honor to be part of this day, and I had a great time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, do me a favor, hit that like button, or better yet, consider subscribing so you get all the latest content here on the channel. We do have another car show coming up in a couple of weeks. It might be the last one of the season, I don't know. But in any event, it's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope that you will be seeing that one as well very, very soon. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.